Hi, my name is Pierre Lafleur, and in today's mini podcast, I'm going to talk about tarot cards reading and questions. It is very rare that people are coming to a tarot cards reading without any questions in their minds. Some come and they just simply say, well, let's see what the cards will reveal. And I'm okay with that. The cards will reveal what you need to know, no matter what. But the funny part is, after I start talking, they start having questions. So I suggest that you, first of all, prepare the questions that you would like to ask, that are very important to your heart, so that we can clarify why they're important to your heart, in which context, and what essential information you can have from them. And tarot cards reading can answer any question, but it is one question at a time. So we cannot come like asking, can you tell me if this year I'm going to have this job and my son-in-law will have a car? No. We have to separate each of them. And I will tell you what happened once. There was a question that was addressed to me that said, will my son have today this job in this enterprise? So the first card said no. And then I said, okay, so let's check another one. And then I put a second one and the card said yes. The card answered the two questions that were asked. Will my son have this job in this enterprise today? So for today, it said no. And for this job in this enterprise, said yes. So this boy didn't get the job this very day, but got it 3-4 days later. So the tarot cards reading are very efficient for all kind of things. It could be for very concrete, basic information to very subtle spiritual information. Thank you.